all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. In today's video, you're going to see some lovely collections of different varieties of chanderi, some jute silk, some khadi silk. We have some lovely collection, different varieties which are coming up for the festive season. So all the videos which I'm going to show you are going to be some very different collections. All the saris which we are going to show you today will be a normal wash saris, easy maintenance saris. To purchase these saris, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. And for whoever is new to our channel, our store is located in Chennai, Mandavli. We have given the details, address in the description. You can directly come to our store also. We are open from Monday to Saturday from morning 10:30 to 8:30 in the evening. And on Sunday, it's a holiday. And please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. Come on, let's start seeing the saris now. A very pretty satin silk sari with a nice contrast small border, and throughout the body we have lovely embroidery running throughout the body of the sari. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1160. In the same pattern, it's a very beautiful pink color with a nice embroidery. You could see the embroidery in it. Beautiful design. The material is really super soft. This is the body of the sari. Nice pink shade with a very pretty pallu and a nice blouse. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse is a small floral in the same pattern. This is the blouse of the sari, and this is the body of the sari. Soft material. The price of the sari is 1160. The next is a nice mehendi green, chamangi color madri. Beautiful shade. Embroidering romba alaga irukku. Material அப்படியே பட்டு மாதிரி அவ்வளோ சாஃப்டாக இருக்குது. அழகான ஷைன் இருக்குது. ஒரு ஃபங்க்ஷனுக்குலாம் கூட வேர் பண்ணிட்டு போயிடலாம். அந்த மாதிரி பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக இருக்குது. வெரி பிரிட்டி சாரி. நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் அ நைஸ் க்ரீன். அழகு க்ரீன், சட்னி க்ரீன். ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. நைஸ் எம்ப்ராய்டரி in the saree. This is the body of the saree. Beautiful one. Lovely pattern. And the price of this saree is 1160. A nice grey color satin silk saree with a lovely floral borders on both the sides, and throughout the body very pretty embroidery. These are all nice embroidery running throughout the body. And the pallu of the saree is this, a very pretty floral print, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1160. In the same pattern, it's a nice light pista green shade. Beautiful design with lovely floral prints on the corners, and the body is like this with nice embroidery running throughout the body. This is how it looks, really classy. And the pallu of the saree is again a floral print, and the blouse of the saree is also a floral print. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of this sari is 1160. The next combination in the same pattern is going to be a light pink shade, a nice light pink shade. This is how the sari looks. More of a light chocolate shade, that kind of it's not even pink, it's more like a light chocolate. Beautiful print. And the pallu of the sari is this, with a small floral print blouse. This is the body of the sari, and the price of this sari is 1160. A nice fawn color with orange color contrast satin silk material. A beautiful design with lovely small embroidery running throughout the body of the sari. Very pretty one. And the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse of the sari is nice contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1320. In the same pattern, it's a nice fawn with a blue color combination contrast border. So this is how the body looks. This is the body of the sari. Nice fawn with blue color combination on the border with temple style border. And the pallu of the sari is this, with the contrast blouse. The blouse will be this, the blouse of the sari, and the body of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 1320. The next combination is going to be fawn with mehendi green. You could see this fawn with mehendi green combination. The body of the saree is this. A lovely beautiful combination, fawn with green color combination with small embroidery. And the pallu of the saree is this. And again the blouse is going to be in contrast like the pallu. This is the blouse of the saree. Very, very beautiful combinations. And the price of this saree is 1320. The next combo is going to be fawn with navy blue. Nice fawn with navy blue. This is the body of the saree. A beautiful fawn with navy blue combination with small floral embroidery throughout the body. This is the pallu of the saree and the blouse is going to be in the same design. And the price of the saree is 1320. A very beautiful brown color jute silk saree with a nice kalamkari border with a lovely embroidery running throughout the body. You could see a nice embroidery with self print also running throughout the body, looking really classy. And the pallu of the saree is a kalamkari pallu, and the blouse of the saree is contrast. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1170. In the same pattern, it's a nice green with a brown color border, kalamkari border. A beautiful design and a very, very soft material. This is the body of the saree, nice green shade, mehendi green. And the pallu of the saree is a beautiful kalamkari pallu, looking really rich and good. This is the price of the saree is 1170. The next shade in the same pattern is going to be a very pretty light chocolate color, a pinkish chocolate shade. Very, very beautiful design and a rich, nice kalamkari pallu with a beautiful blouse. This is the body of the saree and the price of the saree is 1170. The next in the same pattern is going to be a nice grey with darker purple shade border with kalamkari border, and you have embroidery throughout the body. This is how the saree looks. Beautiful design. And the pallu of the saree is this. This is the body of the saree. And the price of the saree is 1170. A nice brown color kalamkari jute silk saree, in that a beautiful kalamkari print. The border is a very lovely kalamkari print and box pattern, looking really classy. And throughout the body we have embroidery in the body. This is how the body looks. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is again a nice printed blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1170. In the same pattern, it's a nice brown color with a darker brown shade border, and the embroidery is in mustard color. The colors might look slightly similar ones, but all have small differences. Mustard color embroidery. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this, a beautiful design with a soft material, and the price of the saree is 1170. The next shade is going to be grey, nice grey in the same pattern with a lovely kalamkari border and an embroidery running throughout the body. Soft material. This is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1170. The next is going to be a nice chocolate brown, in that a fawn color embroidery. Beautiful pattern, lovely design, dark coffee brown border. This is how the body looks, and the price of the saree is 1170. A nice semi-raw silk material in grey color with a cutwork border on both the sides. You could see the border. You could see a very beautiful cutwork. Have a closer look of the border. Cute small cutwork border. Very, very intricately done. This is all handwork. And throughout the body we have nice embroidery, small embroidery running throughout the body of the saree. And the pallu of the saree is a running pallu with a contrast blouse. This is the blouse of the saree, and you have cutwork in the border also. And the price of this saree is 1080. In the same cutwork embroidery patterns, a nice light pink, more of a toffee color shade. Beautiful design with cute embroideries running throughout the saree. So this is how the saree is. Beautiful design with cut work, embroidery, semi-raw silk material, and the blouse is in contrast pink. This is the blouse of the saree, this color. The next color in the same pattern is a nice ilachi green. Very pretty ilachi green with cut work. You could see how beautiful the saree is. Very pretty cut work. This is the body of the saree. Lovely design. And the next color in the same pattern is a nice light orange. Very pretty design with small embroideries. And the cut work is looking really pretty when you see. When you wear it, it will look really awesome. This is the body of the saree. And the price of this saree is 1080. Very beautiful khadi silk material. In that we have nice block print. Both the sides a golden zari border, a tissue border with a lovely print running throughout the body, a block print running throughout the body. Looking really elegant design. And the pallu of the saree is this, and you have nice zari checks in the pallu also. And the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1230. In the same pattern we have some nice color combinations. It's a beautiful purple, light pinkish purple shade. This is the body of the saree, a lovely block print, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1230. The next shade in the same pattern is going to be a lovely grey in the khadi silk block print saree. This is the body of the saree, a beautiful block print running through the body. Very beautiful one. And the pallu of the saree is this. The price of the saree is 1230. The next is going to be a nice green, sapphire green. So this is the body of the saree, a lovely design, beautiful one. And the next shade in the same pattern is going to be a nice light orange, a light kavi shade. It's really pretty, and the material is very soft. Very different materials we have these times. Beautiful one. And the price of this saree is 1230. A very beautiful jute silk material, very super material, flowy material, and we have embroidery on the bottom part of the saree, and throughout the top part we have a beautiful abstract design with the lovely zari checks running throughout the body of the saree. And the pallu of the saree is this, a pretty pallu, and the blouse of the saree is again in contrast with zari checks. It's a nice dark brown. This is the body blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1000. In the same patterns, a nice green color, dark bottle green. With bottom part we have the embroideries, and the body is an abstract design with jari checks. You could see the jari checks in the body. Very beautiful one. So closer look we are showing you for the jari checks. Very flowy, soft material. Very beautiful material. I'm just loving the material. You should just feel the material. And this is the pallu of the saree, and the blouse will be in plain green with jari checks. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 1000 rupees. The next color in the same pattern is going to be a beautiful navy blue. Very lovely navy blue. This is the body of the saree. Lovely design with beautiful design and lovely pattern. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the body of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1000. The next is going to be a dark coffee brown. The first one which we saw was a more of a dark maroonish brown. This is a dark coffee brown with a lovely border in the bottom. This is all completely embroidery, and we have nice jari checks in the body. This is the body of the saree, a beautiful design, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1000. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 51299. I repeat, it's 93848 51299. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.